Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add stories on your Facebook account. To add stories on your Facebook account, firstly open your Facebook application. Now tap on create stories. After that tap on text. Now write the story that you want to post. Now tap on done at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on share button. Now tap on share to Facebook only. This is how you will be able to add a story on your Facebook account. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you'll never miss another videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.